Adjectives to describe bad situations in English. Awful. Meaning, extremely bad or very unpleasant. That movie was awful, I couldn't finish it. I had an awful headache this morning. Terrible. Meaning, extremely bad or serious. The weather is terrible today, it's raining nonstop. I made a terrible mistake at work. Tragic. Meaning, very sad, especially involving death or serious damage. It was a tragic accident, 2 people died. Her story is so tragic, she lost her family in the war. Fatal. Meaning, causing death or leading to a very serious and irreversible result. The car crash was fatal for the driver. She made a fatal mistake in the final round. Catastrophic. Meaning, extremely harmful, destructive, or causing great damage. The flood was catastrophic, it destroyed many homes. The earthquake was catastrophic, many buildings collapsed. Horrible. Meaning, very unpleasant, upsetting, shocking, or bad. That was a horrible experience, I never want to go back. I had a horrible day at the office. Disastrous. Meaning, causing serious damage, failure, or very bad results. A disastrous fire destroyed the entire factory. His decision was disastrous for the company. Disturbing. Meaning, something that makes you feel upset, anxious, or uncomfortable. The news was really disturbing. She shared a disturbing story about her past. Devastating. Meaning, causing extreme damage or deep emotional pain. The fire was devastating, everything is gone. Losing her job was devastating for her. Painful. Meaning, causing physical or emotional pain. Saying goodbye was a painful moment for both of us. My back pain is really painful today. Hopeless. Meaning, feeling there's no chance of success or improvement. The situation feels hopeless, nothing is working. He looked hopeless after failing the exam. Toxic. Meaning, very harmful, poisonous, or emotionally damaging. They have a toxic relationship, always arguing and blaming each other. That workplace was so toxic, I had to leave. Avoid toxic people who always bring you down. Abusive. Meaning, cruel, violent, or harmful, especially in speech or relationships. She finally left the abusive relationship. He was abusive to his coworkers. Abusive behavior should never be tolerated. Stressful. Meaning, causing a lot of mental pressure, tension, or worry. Today was so stressful at work. Exams are always stressful for me. Troubling. Meaning, making you feel worried, uneasy, or concerned. There's some troubling news about the economy. Her silence was troubling, something felt wrong. Risky. Meaning, involving danger, uncertainty, or the chance of loss. Investing all your money is risky. Quitting your job without a plan is risky. Frustrating. Meaning, causing annoyance, upset, or impatience. It's so frustrating when the internet stops working. Waiting for hours is really frustrating. Crumbling. Meaning, slowly breaking apart, falling down, or failing. The old house is crumbling. Their marriage is slowly crumbling. Unstable. Meaning, not steady, not safe, or likely to change or collapse suddenly. The bridge looks unstable, it might collapse. Their relationship is unstable and full of ups and downs. Unbearable. Meaning, too bad, painful, or difficult to handle. The heat is unbearable today. The pain in my leg was unbearable. Broken. Meaning, damaged and not working properly, emotionally crushed. My phone is broken again. She felt completely broken after the news. Dangerous. Meaning, likely to cause harm or injury. It's dangerous to swim here. Climbing without safety gear is dangerous. Unfortunate. Meaning, unlucky or causing disappointment or sadness. It was unfortunate that it rained during the picnic. It's unfortunate that we missed the last train. Woeful. Meaning, very bad or deeply sad. His performance was woeful. He clearly wasn't prepared. She looked woeful after hearing the bad news.